Hey folks, how's it going? Sam here, and in this video I want to show you how you can crop Lottie animations. So here we've got a star animation, and if we just change the background, you can see that this animation, has a lot of white space between the actual animation and the borders of the canvas. So we can actually go ahead and crop this animation. For the moment, no tools exist other than After Effects to get this done. So let's open up After Effects and see how you can crop your Lottie animations. So once you open up After Effects, you're going to go Windows and Extensions and the Body Moving plugin. And whilst that's loading up, let's just grab the URL of our animation and the URL to its JSON file. And then go on to this button, import Lottie animation, and just paste in the URL. So once that's loading up, I'm actually going to go ahead and create a new comp, and you can define the width and height as you like. I like 512 by 512, so I'm going to create that. And let's just wait a few more seconds for the star to load up inside of After Effects. And there we go. So if we open up this, we just double check the animation. It's working fine. As you can see, we've got all this white space around the animation, which we don't want. So go back into your comp and drag in the animation. You can go ahead and scale it up inside your comp. So I'm just going to go as big as I can to show how it's done. Just trim the timeline. That's working fine. You can go ahead and close body moving. We don't need that anymore. And I'm going to use the Lottie Files plugin to upload straight to my profile. And we can have a look at what this is like. So my comp, it's going to render out the animation, and the star's looking a bit bigger now. And as you can see, there's a lot less white space. So let's just do a transparent background and upload it to my profile. Let's just quickly compare what the animations look like before and after. So okay, great. So on the right is the original version, which isn't cropped, and on the left is our cropped version. And as you can see, we remove much more of the white space around our animation. And if you wanted to, for example, just have the star and not this circle background, if you were a bit lazy, you could just scale it up and have it like that. But you could also, since you imported it, go ahead and play around with the actual animation. So you could just remove this and then boom, there you go. But otherwise, that's how to crop your Lottie animations. I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the SVGenius YouTube channel to keep up to date with everything happening in the wonderful world of Lottie animations.